Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to unsend messages on Instagram in 2021. So this will be a 2021 update video. So just be sure that you're fully updated to the newest version of Instagram in order to be able to do this the exact same way that I'm doing it. Anyhow, it's very simple and easy to do. So I'm just going to open up Instagram and I'll show you guys what to do. Just go to DMs and go to a chat. And I'm just going to type anything here. So I'll just put test. Once you guys send the message off, all you have to do is long press on that message. And then you see a couple options that pop up, one being unsend. So we're just going to click on the unsend button, and then it will say message unsent. Unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but they still may be included in the conversation is reported. So once you click on OK here, it will then remove that from the chat. Very, very simple and easy to get done. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to unsend messages on Instagram in 2021. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.